Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change gender in PUBG Mobile. To change the gender in PUBG Mobile, first of all, open the PUBG Mobile app and log into your account. From the main lobby, tap on the menu button or the hamburger button right next to your profile icon at the top left. You will then open up this basic info section where you'll need to scroll down from the right hand side menu and tap on social player card. Now click on edit at the top right and then you will be able to see the gender option. Go ahead and select your gender from the menu, and right after you do that, click on OK at the bottom. As you do that, you will then be able to change your character's gender. Your character's gender can be modified anytime via this method. This is a more recent feature and helps personalize your character even more. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks from PUBG Mobile. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.